Hi y'all, I'm Redheaded Neighbor and welcome today to the channel. Super pumped that you stopped by for a visit here in the neighborhood. So all of the songs that I react to here, they come from subscribers. They come from people just like you who have a song that you want me to listen to, and they follow the instructions in the description, and that's how we get here. So I have Neil Young, I have Rush, I've got rap, I've got so it doesn't matter what the genre. But right now we're gonna listen to some Neil Young. This I think it was the last Neil Young song that I listened to by the same subscriber, I believe, that requested it. Blew my mind. I think I sent it to 3 people after I listened to it. Absolutely was amazing. Sometimes I have like real mixed feelings with him because everything he does has like a sorrowful tone, and not that that is a bad thing, but if I listen to it too much, I get sad. Do you ever do that? Like just the way that an artist will just automatically kind of put you in a certain head or heart space. Let's see what old Neil does to me today. Beautiful.
Lover, there will be another one who'll hover over you beneath the sun. Tomorrow, see the things that never come today. When you see me fly away without you, shadow on the things you know, feathers fall around you and show you the way to go. It's over.
Okay. Yes. I definitely have feelings right now. Trying to identify them. But that sound is beautiful. See, this is like a whole side of him that I'm not familiar with. This is actually quite a treat.
And show you the way to go. It's over. It's over. Nestled in your wings, my little one is special. Morning brings another sun. Tomorrow, see the things that never come today. When you see me fly away without you, shadow on the things you know, feathers fall around you and show you the way to go. It's over.
I am such a sucker for just a piano and a singer. I am such a sucker for that.
It's over.
Okay, so you can just stop right here, but I want to take it back a little bit more.
When you see me fly away without you, shadow on the things you know, feathers fall around you and show you the way to go. It's over. It's over.
Okay, he is so gentle here. He's so gentle and he sounds so raw and sincere. I mean, you hear that, don't you? I know you do. And the harmonizing, is he harmonizing with himself, or does he have other people that did that? Because however they have it engineered, the way that it mixes and it combines in my head, but yet I feel like I hear this in my heart more than anything. The song feels like I've read a novel or watched a movie. And, you know, you're not really given a lot of information here. But for him to have such a raw and a natural voice on this, I feel like the story was told so intimately. And I really feel like keeping it sounds like, I don't know if that's, I can't tell, but when I'm hearing him play this, I'm picturing like an upright piano and not a baby grand or a grand or whatever. But in my head, that's what I'm picturing. And to me, that paints a picture. And it's really beautiful. And it does touch me. So Neil Young has surprised me a lot. Because like I said, in the past, I've had a struggle with him. And my taste in music over the last few years has changed so much. And I'm thinking probably 5 or 6 years ago, I wouldn't have liked this song. I think maybe because his voice is so natural. But now that's what I find really endearing about it, is he sounds like any man, every man, but with some flair, if that makes any sense. I wish I could explain how I felt with that. I'm really caught off guard, guys. I'm sorry. It's a very short song and I've talked a lot, but I feel really caught off guard with that song. It's so strange how exposure to different kinds of music can change you. I think that paired with just age and growing up and growing older, and I guess maybe some of those sentimental walls. Bravo. That's very, very well done. Thank you for that. That was excellent. I really do appreciate that. Thank you.